Hey guys, we're back in the garage for what's probably going to be the last time. I've got a guy coming tomorrow that I think is going to buy both the General and my trailer. It's a decision I've had a really difficult time coming to, but it's just something that right now was unavoidable. And I'm not gonna call this the end. I certainly want to get back into the machines later on, but just due to some personal things going on, I've got to sell the unit, and I just need the money more so than I need the machine right now, and it sucks because I've really loved the last couple of years spending time out here in the garage, doing everything on the rig, and wiring and putting on the bumper, the windshield, the side doors, everything. Really have loved it, and I don't look back with any regrets on the money that I spent doing it either. I would gladly, for the most part, aside from the little rants that we've had either by me or from folks in the comments, most of it I would do again as far as what I bought. I think the machine is really solid. I have no problem selling it and telling the guy that looks like he's going to buy it that it's a great machine. It's in great shape. It's really good. I've been really pleased with it. But to everyone that's been a fan of the channel, that's watched the shows, that's left comments. And even once I put it up for sale, that have folks that have put some comments out there and sent me emails. I really appreciate that. You know what? Might still post some videos on the channel for stuff that I might end up doing to my truck or some other car work. I'm also at some point hoping to get a welder, and I am hoping to start doing a little bit of welding, and maybe even fabricate some parts for the General. But anyway, I just want to say again, thank you so much to everyone that has posted, commented, shared their thoughts on anything that I've done to the machine or anything that I bought. And if you do have questions, I certainly still welcome you to send in those questions. I will be happy to answer comments on the videos. For those of you that have emailed, I'm always happy to share my experience. And if you're local to Northwest Georgia, by all means, reach out. I'm happy to help out working on these machines as well. But anyway, I just want to kind of wrap things up and say thank you to everyone. And hopefully selling it's not disappointing anyone other than me. But that's just the way life goes sometimes. And again, thank you to everyone, and please keep watching the videos, keep asking questions, because I'll keep answering them. Thanks a lot, guys. Hey guys, I actually recorded this video, I guess it's now been about 6 or 8 weeks ago, and I really do want to thank everyone for watching. I will have more videos coming out in the future once I've settled everything. I am in good shape. It was an employment situation that was going on, and as I said in the video, I just needed the money in another position. But I will have more content coming out soon. I appreciate everything, and please feel free to reach out with any questions.